I think at this point that AMC has now become a legal matter, meaning that there's nothing else we could do as retail investors. We did everything we could do that's in our power. I mean, we bought the stock. We've been holding with diamond balls of steel. It's like, what else could we do? You know what I mean? So it's just now reached a level where the corruption has to be proven. That's it. So I think it's a legal matter. And I really hope that West Christian exposes the phantom shares, the Fugazi shares, the synthetic shares. And the question is, if I like to say when, but if he exposes these phantom shares, the question now is really going to become, who knew about it? You know what I mean? This might wind up becoming the biggest, potentially bigger than Bernie Madoff AMC. I'm going to say it's alleged, but this could be the biggest like Ponzi scheme in history. I mean, could you imagine that West Christian exposes all these phantom shares? Could you imagine they're in the billions? And could you imagine like what would happen at that point? So who's responsible? Who do we hold responsible? Adam Aaron had to know about it, right? I have to say alleged. Gary Gensler had to know about it, right? I have to say alleged. Okay. And then who's going to pay the piper? Who's going to be responsible? So I just think that's where we're at right now. I think it's becoming just more now of a legal battle to win, because obviously we can't win with all this corruption. Don't you understand that? We could hold all day until this friggin' stock goes bankrupt. I mean, you know what I mean? The thing is, if these hedge funds are using these phantom shares, then it's not a fair playing field, and we should get our money back. Plus, I think tremendous damages. You know what I mean? This can't go on anymore with these effing hedge funds. It has to stop. It has to stop. And I really hope West Christian stops them. I really, really hope. But I just think that my head right now is just even getting to a point where it's just becoming a legal matter. It's becoming a legal matter where we have to expose the corruption. That's really where I think every ape's head should really be. But of course, we'll hold our shares. That's what we have to do, right? I'm not telling you what to do. Listen, you always got to do what's best for you and best for your family, because I'm not a financial planner. I don't give financial advice, and this video is not legal advice. I'm not an attorney. This video and all my videos are for entertainment purposes only, but that's just where my head's at.